YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brainy Giz and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be sharing with you all my favorites for the month of June. So if you're interested in seeing my little favorites, keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started. I am going to start out with my primer. This is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. It is not a oil control primer, but it actually grips the makeup and have the makeup stay intact. It is a great product, like I said, and it's from Milk Hydro. They also have the smaller version if you don't want to commit to something like this. This is a little pricey, but it lasts a long time. I've been using it for the longest, and I like it. The next item I hauled a minute ago, and this is from Mario Bedescu. This is the facial spray with aloe, sage, and orange blossom. This is also one of my favorite go-tos. It has the spray isn't the best. It kind of comes out a little forceful, so I'll just like hold it. I'll just try to like hold it up in the air and spray it maybe like three pumps. And I love the smell. This is 4 fluid ounce. I can't remember how much it was, but I don't think it was expensive like the Urban Decay. And it just like sets your makeup in place and have you looking fantastic. Okay, let's talk about concealers. My 2 favorite concealers are from Juvia's place. This is number 16, but I cannot use it by itself. Well, I can, but I choose not to. And I like to use it with the Born This Way. This is the multi-sculpting concealer. This is in Butterscotch. So these two together make a cute combination under the eyes. I use the number 16 also for highlighting my forehead, nose, chin, and above my lip. Okay, so now we're going to talk about Hourglass. This is like my favorite foundation when I wanted something light but not too heavy, kind of like sheer on the medium side. I love how this foundation looks on me. I love this so much so that I ran out, and I was trying other foundations, but it just didn't do it for me like the Hourglass does. It gives you a flawless look without being too cakey, too heavy looking on the face. So I ended up ordering another one. Yes, I love this so much so. The shade that I'm in is called Warm Almond, and it's a really nice summer shade, I think. And I have it on right now, and I really love it. And I also have on this here from Becca. This is another one of my favorite bronzers, and this is Sunlit Bronzer, Ipanema Sun. Really pretty. Let me show you guys. Something about it is different from the rest of the bronzers that I have. And let me see. It doesn't have like shimmer or sheen or anything like that. It just looks really nice on the skin, and that's it right there. It gives a bronze summer look to the face, especially, you know, if you're my complexion. And I have that on as well. My favorite highlighters are from Revolution, and it's the Vivid Bake highlighter. I broke the top and it looks like this. I have it on today. I'll swatch it, and it looks yellow on the skin, but when you blend it in, it gives a beautiful highlight, and it's really inexpensive. I think it's probably about $6. I might end up just buying another one because just having this broken top is just doing something to me. Okay, and the next bronzer that is my favorite is from Nars, and it is the Ibiza. And it's really pretty too, and it's more so on like the gold side, and I'll swatch that as well above it. And this is it right here. It kind of looks like the one from Revolution, but it has like a more, I want to say, wet look to it. It's just pretty. So I ended up getting this as opposed to picking up the one from Nars. I think it's called I can't remember the name, but I'll list it right here. Yeah, I was gonna pick up that one, but I ended up liking this one on my face because the other one is more bronzier. Okay, moving on. My favorite eyeshadow that I've been rocking, and this was like a set. I don't know if MAC sells these eyeshadows, but this was from the Call Me Bubbles collection, and I vowed that I would be using this up. I've been wearing this to work like basically every day. Last week, the week before. It's just so pretty. And these are the colors. Really, really pretty. You have like your like peachy orange. You have this here copper shade, and it looks good in the inner corner. You also have this pink shade, and I'll put that in the crease. And I don't really much so use this highlighter shade, but this is a really cute palette. Then we have mascara. For the moment, I've been liking this mascara from Milani. It's the Most Wanted Lashes. It looks like so. And let me show you the brush so that you guys can see. This is how the wand looks, and it does the job. I wear falsies. I have them falsies right now, so it kind of like does the job for my bottom lashes. Some mascaras are like real dry and it's not as black or pigmented as I like, so that one I've been rocking for the month of June, and I like it. And for brows, I went back to the NYX. This is the Microbrow pencil, and I like to use this because it helps me to define my brows better than the pomade. So I have like a love-hate. I go back and forth. So far I've been using this. And let's see, and I use Girl Boy on top to give it a like a lighter look to go with my hair color. So this is like a good combination too, and it helps set the brows so that my brows won't disappear as fast. And for a eyelash adhesive, this is like my favorite. It's the House of Lashes, and it's in the color white. I don't like the black one, but the white one is better because it something about it does. It just allows your lashes to adhere really faster than the normal like duo. Let's talk about lips. So this is what I've been rocking, and this is from Sephora. This is their collection. It looks like so. The name of this is called Outrageous, and it's a plump effect in the number 2. Let me swatch this so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. And it's just a cute nude that you can wear. You don't even have to have like a lip liner or anything. And that's it right there, that color. From Dose of Colors, this one is called Honey I'm Home, and this is also a pretty nude, and that is Honey I'm Home. And my two favorite at the moment lippies from MAC is this one, and it's called, and it is Flesh Pot. So I'll have to use Flesh Pot with a brown liner. That's what I have on my lips today, and I do like it. That's what I have on my lips today, and I really like the way that it, you know, when you have that busy eye going on, you can always throw on Flesh Pot. I didn't want a glossy look, so I ended up getting that. And then I have this is Ruby Woo from MAC, and it's this pretty red. It goes with anyone's skin tone. I'll swatch it, and that is Ruby Woo. And I wanted to pick up the cherry lip liner, but I haven't made it out to the mall yet to go with it. But the lip liner that I usually like to pair it with is a Current lip liner from MAC. That's a really cute one. You make sure you don't go as heavy, and it'll just make your lips pop. And everybody will always ask, what is that you have on your lips? And it is always Ruby Woo. Then we have fragrances. My favorite fragrance, it's been 2 of them. I can't find the other one, but it was all gone anyway, and that was Kilan, and the name of the fragrance is I Don't Need a Prince, something like that. That was my favorite. I ran out of it. I showed you guys that, and I think I'm gonna have to end up, when they have their next 20% off sale, I'm gonna have to order it. But that was like my joint. It smells so good, like sweet, not too overpowering, and gives you a lot of compliments. And my other favorite, and I'm almost out, as you can see, it's like down to here, and the name of this one is called Juliette Has a Gun. Is that right? Juliette Has a Gun. And that is a really nice fragrance as well. I like to wear that. And my favorite blender for the moment is this one right here, and this is from Sonia Kashuk. You can find this at Target, and I just like it because it expands big. It helps get into the corner of the eyes. So this has been my favorite blender. And let's talk about hair products, guys. My favorite go-to serum when I'm doing my like silk press, I like to use this. This is from One and Only. It's the Argan Oil, and it's just a oil treatment, and it looks like so. You can find this at Sally's. It's pretty pricey now. It used to be like $6.99, and I think the girl told me it was about $9 or $10, maybe even more. But it works really well. It smells awesome. It smells really good, and I love it. And the other two products, I just did a video showing you how I achieve this wash and go. It's up live on my channel. And the two products that I reach for when I do the wash and go from Aunt Jackie is this Curl LaLa, and this is Defining Curl Custard. The bomb, y'all. Y'all need to go pick this up if you're natural and you want your curls to pop and just, you know, come to life. And it gives like it helps your curls pop, and it also gives like a sheen, a nice moisturized look to your hair, and your hair is not crunchy or hard. My hair is soft, and I love it. And the gel that I like to use to help like put it up together is the Shine and Jam. It's my favorite, but I'm always on the hunt for something better, and I need something better to help me create the baby hairs. So I don't know if I might use Hicks or probably Cream of Nature. I don't know. We're gonna have to play with it, and I'll let you guys know what helps to define my little baby hairs. But for now, I'm gonna use this. Now I have used the one from the beauty supply store. I can't remember the name, but if I remember it, I'll list it right here. I've used that, and I like it, but I didn't repurchase it, so I might end up having to go back to the beauty supply store to pick it up. And the last product that I want to mention is this here, Bedescu. This is the acne facial wash. Anytime I have a pimple, a breakout, I always use this. I'll let this sit on my face for a good 5 minutes, and then I wash my face off, especially at night. And it actually helps, you guys. Now what this says it does is it deep cleans your pores, like if you have oily skin or congested skin, and helps make your skin feel exceptionally clean. It's formulated with salicylic acid and a soothing blend of botanical extracts like aloe, chamomile, and thyme. This is a daily facial wash, boasts exfoliating properties that help break down impurities and encourage a balanced, healthy looking complexion. This really works. So if you are one of those girls that have breakouts, especially when you go to bed and you forgot to take off your makeup, you need to pull this out. It's a great product to have. And that will complete my favorite. So I thank you all for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, have a blessed one. Bye, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Bye.